Welcome back. Let's take a look at the latest developments in the world of sports. Now, Kenya is eyeing a bigger medal haul at the upcoming 2026 Commonwealth Games in Glasgow, Scotland, from 23rd July to 2nd August, as athletes intensify their preparations at Nyayo Stadium.
The team is motivated. The coaches are ready to give us what we need. They are motivating us. We have everything we need. We are going to break the area records, mostly in 4x4 men, and also on our personal best. I think some people are ready. Most of us, we are ready, and we are going to improve our personal best. I can say that.
My expectations for the Commonwealth is first to go execute and make it to the finals first, and thereafter we'll see what comes after.
So my target this time is at least to get a medal. And the relays, since now we have a mixed relay, so we are planning at least to bring a medal. Of course, maybe gold, God willing.
We did very well, and we hope this year we are going to do extremely well than the other time, because this time we have got a very nice team for the Commonwealth.
To rugby action.